B. Now we're writing the equation from a graph. So we have 2 steps. Step 1 is to identify the slope, which is rise over run, or change in y over change in x, and the y-intercept, which is where it crosses the y-axis, and then we write the equation. So for graph number 1, first I need to find that slope. To find the slope, we're going to illustrate the rise and the run. So slope is change in y over change in x. Looking at my graph, it goes up 3 over 2. I check on my calculator, 3/2 doesn't simplify, so there's my slope. B, the y-intercept, that's where it crosses the y-axis. This crosses at 1, 2, 3. So if we put those two things together, slope is m, y-intercept is b, and your form for a line is y equals mx plus b. So we're going to substitute our m and our b. So for this example, we get y equals 3/2, because that's m, x plus 3. And we're all set. Let's look at the next one. For the next one, we want to get our slope. Rise and run. We're going down 3 and over 1. Slope is the change in y over change in x. It went down 3 over 1, so our slope is -3. And if we look at the graph, we can see it has a negative slope. The y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. I'm putting a green dot right there. It crosses at 1. The equation for a line is y equals mx plus b. We need to plug in m and b, so we get y equals -3x plus 1. Next question, we need to get from the graph our slope. I have a point right here. I'm going to rise 2, and I'm going to run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if slope is the change in y over change in x, I am going up 2 over 5. It's a positive line, and we have a positive slope, which is good. B is this point right here where it crosses the y-axis at 2. We want to use y equals mx plus b. We need to plug in m for our slope, b for our intercept, and we do that. We get y equals 2/5 x plus 2 as our simplified answer. And that's it for lesson 2.3.